Okay, good morning children. Now today I will teach you part 2 of a gift of chappals. Yeah, page number 22 and 23. Okay, good morning all of you. We are starting. Okay, here. Now what happens? See, in my previous I have given you these question answers. Questions you will write from here and answers from PDF in your question answer notebook, which I have crossed, not asked. The cross chain okay? Now see now, part 2. Video 1. Mridu crept up to the window. Lali was sitting a little distance away. Lali was sitting little far. Awkwardly holding her violin and bowstring. This is violin, see? And string is there, bowstring. Okay? Yeah. Her elbows jutting out and her eyes glazed with concentration. And she's looking, she's concentrating. Ekdam dhyan thi. In front of her with most of his back to the window. Now the master is here. See his back part is to the window. Was the bony figure of the music master. Bony figure, bony means thin. He had a mostly bald head without hair. Taklu. Understand? No hair. Very little hair. With a fringe of oiled black hair falling around his ears. And there were little this hair which were on his ears. Black hair falling around his ears and an old-fashioned tuft. Little tuft. Thoda style chejo. This is tuft. Old-fashioned. A gold chain gleamed around his leathery neck. Now he is wearing a golden chain. And a diamond ring glittered on his hand. And in his hand there is a diamond ring. Diamond ring, okay? As it glided up and down the stem of the violin. When he was moving the violin, his finger is also moving. So the diamond ring is also moving. Hai na? A large foot stuck out from beneath his gold bordered vestige. Yeah, large foot is out, okay? And he was beneath his golden bordered vestige. And he was beating time on the floor with the scrawny big toe. Now he is moving his toe, and giving the music. He played a few notes. Lali stumbled behind him on her violin. Lali is also sitting here with her violin, which looked quite helpless and unhappy in her hands. No, violin was unhappy. Why? Because she did not know how to play properly. Okay? What a difference. The music master's notes seemed to float up and settle perfectly into the invisible tracks of the melody. Melody means music. Now when he is playing music, nicely the notes are coming. Okay? Fine sound aave. It was like the wheels of a train fitting smoothly into the rails. Rails railway એના પર શું ચાલે? Train will move here, no? And if the track is nice, the train will move smoothly. The train fine રીતે ચાલશે. Otherwise, it can't move. Into the rails and whizzing along. As Ravi said, Mridu stared at that huge bee-ringed hand moving effortlessly up the violin stem, making lovely music. She's looking, oh, sir is making such a beautiful music. Squawk! There was Lali derailing again. Squawk! That means she has made a mistake. Bhool kari hai, okay? Amma came a wail from the gate. From the gate somebody shouted, Amma! Oh, Amma! Ravi, send that beggar away. Mother is telling, send that beggar away. Beggar, you don't know? ભીખ માંગવા આવે ને, those who come to beg from the back veranda where she was chatting, she was talking with Tapi. Now page 24. Continue. All of you open page 24. First line, keep your fingers here so you will understand better, okay? With Tapi. Mother was chatting, she was talking with Tapi. He has been coming here every day for the past week. This beggar is coming here every day since the past week. And it's time he found another house to beg from. Patti explained to Tapi. Patti is telling Tapi that now this beggar has to go to another house. Why? He has been coming here since 1 week. Mridu and Meena followed Ravi out. The beggar was already in the garden. Where was the beggar? In the garden, making himself quiet at home. He was sitting nicely as if it was his house. He had spread his upper cloth under the neem tree. Upper cloth what he was wearing, he has put under the neem tree and was leaning against its trunk. And under that trunk he was leaning. Tekoli the trunk, okay, of tree. Apparently prepared to take a little snooze. He wanted to sleep now. While he waited for the alms to appear. Alms means what we give to beggar. આપણે જે ભીખ આપીએ એને કહેવાય alms. ALMS. Go away, said Ravi sternly. Ravi is telling strictly, go away. My pati says it's time you found another house to beg from. Now go and beg from another house. The beggar opened his eyes very wide and gazed at each of the children one by one. He opened his eyes, મોટી આંખ કરે છે, looking at the children turn by turn. The ladies of this house, he said, at last in a voice choked with feeling. Now he is feeling sad. Are very kind souls. They are very kind. Souls means Atma. They are very kind souls. I have kept my body and soul together on their generosity for a whole week. For 1 full week I am okay by their generosity. They are very generous. મોટા મનવાળા છે. I cannot believe that they would turn me away. They will not ask me to go away. He raised his voice. Amma, Amma, oh, sad his wail might be, but it certainly wasn't feeble. It began in a deep, strong rumble. Somewhere in his withered belly અંદરથી અવાજ આવે છે, and came booming out of his mouth, with its few remaining teeth stained brown with beetle chewing. Now that beggar is shouting, okay? Beetle means sopari. He is eating lot of sopari, lot of beetle, so his teeth are brown. Ravi tell him there's nothing left in the kitchen, called Rukumani. Rukumani is telling there is nothing in the kitchen, we can't give you anything. And he is not to come again. Tell him that. She sounded fed up. She is fed up of him. She is bored of him. Ravi didn't have to repeat it all to the beggar. What his mother said had been easy for them all to hear. All were able to hear what mother was saying. There under the neem tree, the beggar sat up and sighed. I'll go, he said wearily, tiredly. Only let me have a rest here, under this tree. The sun is so hot. The tar has melted on the road. Road ઉપર tar ઈબી ઓગળી ગયું છે. My feet are already blistered. Okay, next page. After this I'll give you page 25.